What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So here is the test of SONY Xperia XZ2 Premium with the Asus Zenfone 3 Ultra, one of the best phablet of all time. Let me clear all the apps. Okay, here also clear. So currently you see there are no apps. So now let me launch my favorite app, which is the Daily Mail. 1 2 3, let's go. Okay. Okay, let me just connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, where is the Wi-Fi? Okay, here we go. Okay, let me try it again. It's a little bit cheating, right? Is the Wi-Fi connected? Let me turn on the display. Okay, the network. Okay, now let's try. 1 2 3, let's go. Cancel. Of course, the SONY Xperia XZ Premium is faster. So now let me try the Africa news. Which is faster? Let's see. Both of them taking us some time. Okay, Asus phone seems faster here. I don't know why. Okay, let me exit to another app. Let me just disconnect the Wi-Fi. I think the Wi-Fi creating some problem here. Okay, let me disconnect the Wi-Fi. Okay, yeah. Now it's connected. Let me clear the apps all again. Okay, and then now let me open the Al Jazeera. Definitely the Xperia XZ Premium is faster here. Let me open the final BBC. Okay, let me close all and then let me open 1 2 3. Of course, the SONY Xperia XZ Premium is faster. So it was me, Jimmy Geek. This was it. That's subscribe. Bye.